guys have heard me talk before about the spectrum where the city sits. On the one side, you've got church management solutions, things that are really geared for the back office of a church, things that take care of administrative functions. Then on the far other side, you've got social networking tools like Facebook or Twitter, where it's really everybody's message all competing for that same little bit of space. Well, the city's right there in the middle. We want to resource the whole body of the church, so not just a few people in a back office somewhere, but we also want to be very smart and very focused missionally on how we engage in the larger audience. And so we've given a lot of thought about this, and of course it goes back to Matthew 5:14, the original premise behind the city, that we are a community, but we're a community that's like a city on a hill, shedding light to the whole neighborhood. And so what that means is we want to take the life that comes from community and have that go out to everywhere you are, the byroads, the highways, everything. So just yesterday on the Builder site, I gave a little hint as to our intentions about interacting more with social networks. Because again, our intention from the beginning of the city, for Matthew 5:14, is that your community of your church could be shedding light to all of the neighbors around it so they can see what you're about and want to be involved. And so our first step in that is engaging with Twitter. Twitter is a platform where people can share little bits of information about themselves. It's often great for being a conversation starter when you actually meet in person, just as a way of staying up to date on what's going on with each other. And so we wanted to take the status updates from the city and allow you to publish those out to Twitter. And so that's coming very soon, and there'll be more details on that following. One of the really exciting things that we get to release this week is our mobile experience. We've been working on this for a long time because we know that, especially during the summer, community is vibrant. You're out having barbecues at the beach, you've got baptisms, you're in each other's homes, backyards, whatever. And so we wanted to improve the experience on the mobile platform so you can have more of what you expect from the city. So what we've done specifically is when you go to your regular URL for the city, we'll auto-detect to see if you're on an iPhone or an Android or a Palm Pre or other touch device, and we'll customize the experience for your platform. So this is specifically a 320 by 240 touch user interface, and is really optimized for you being able to engage with content on the city. So again, this is a beta. This is our first go into the mobile platform. And so there's some things you're not going to be able to do. But again, this is the beauty of community software and community. We want to learn from you guys what's going to be helpful, and we'll continue to improve the mobile app over time.